Hi children, previous class we discussed about face value and place value. Face value and place value of a number. Now I gave you here a number, okay, that is 87,654. okay, here I gave you one number. This is the ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is in thousands place, this is in 10,000s place. Okay, here going to write the place value in this table, face value and place value of this digit. Here how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. Different digits are there. First I am taking this digit. This is 4. Okay, 4 is in which place? Ones place. 4 is in ones place. Its face value is just 4. Face value is 4 itself. The value, what is the itself is called face value, no? So the face value of 4 is 4 only. Place value, the 4, what is the position of this 4? The position of this 4 is in ones place. In which place? Ones place. In which place? Ones place. We have to just multiply this 4 by 1. We will get how much? 4 only. We will get 4 only. Okay. Now I am going to take next digit, that is 5. 5 is in which place? Tens place. Actual this 5 is in tens place. The face value of this 5 is 5 only. Okay, face value is itself what the value is, that is its face value. Face value is 5. Okay, place value means the number position, this digit position. The position of this digit is in tens place. In which place? Tens place. Okay, that means we have to multiply this digit with place value, that is 10. So its place value is how much? 50. Okay, now I am going to take next digit, that is 6. The 6 face value is 6 only. Face value never change. Okay, but it is in the position of hundreds. The 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. So we have to multiply the 6 with 100. We will get 600. 600 is its place value. Okay, now I am going to take next number. This is the 7. The digit is 7. Its face value is 7 only. But the position is, in which position it is? It is in thousands place. In which place? Thousands place. So we have to multiply this 7 with 1000. We will get 7000. What is the place value of this 7 is 7000. Next digit is 8. Next digit is 8. It is in which place? 10,000s place. Its face value is 8 only, but its place value is 10,000. Its place value is 10,000. We have to multiply with 10,000. Then its place value will become 10,000. That means 80,000. The place value of this 8 is 80,000. Okay, are you following? Now I am going to tell you one more example. Okay, here this is 6. This number is 6. This number is 62. This number is 617. This number is 6023. This number is 67,432. Now I am going to check the place value of this 6. Okay, I am going to check the place value of 6. Okay, in first number here 6 is in which place? Units place. In which place? Units place. Okay, units place means its face value is just 7 only, sorry 6 only. Face value is 6. Face value never change. Face value never change. Place value will be changed depending upon its position. Its units place means we have to multiply 6 with 1. 6 ones are 6. This 6. Next number is 62. 62 lo, in 62 6 is in which place? Tens place. That means its place value 60. Here next number 617. 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. That means its place value is 600. But face value is same, 6 only. No change in the face value. Face value is the number what is the value itself. Here 6 is in which place? Thousands place. That means its place value is 6000. Okay, here 6 is in which place? 10,000s place. So value of 6 here is 60,000. How much? 60,000. But there is no change in the face value. There is no change in the face value. Are you following? Now I am going to one more example. Here I took one more number, that is 67,402. What is the place value of 2? 2 is in which place? 2 is in units place, ones place. 2 ones are 2 only. This 0 is in which place? 0 is in tens place. 0 into 10? 0 only, because of 0 its place value becomes 0. Okay, here 4 in which place? Hundreds place. We have to multiply with 100. Its place value is 400. Here 7 is in which place? Thousands place. We have to multiply with 1000. The place value is 7000. Here 6 is in which place? 10,000s place. We have to multiply with 10,000. Its place value is 60,000. Okay, are you following? Have any doubt? Okay, you go through these tables, 3 tables. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, bye.